Ever wanted to surprise your friends with some cool tech tricks? Imagine their faces when you suddenly know their password or can guess what websites they've been visiting. Well, get ready to dive into the world of ethical hacking. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 awesome cybersecurity tools that are not only fun to use, but can also help you understand how to better protect yourself online. Now, before we get started, I want to emphasize that these tools are for educational purposes only, and with great power comes great responsibility, just like my Uncle Ben used to say. It's important to use these tools ethically and legally. Don't even think about using them to mess with people without their permission, or to do anything illegal, because remember, that's not cool, and you'll probably get in huge trouble. Instead, let's use these tools to learn about cybersecurity, have some laughs with our friends, and become more tech-savvy. So grab your thinking caps and let's get started. Our first tool is the Wi-Fi Pineapple, a hacker's best friend when it comes to messing with Wi-Fi. This little device is like the chameleon of the tech world. It can camouflage itself as a legitimate Wi-Fi network, tricking your friends into connecting to it. Imagine setting up a fake free coffee shop Wi-Fi at school or work and watching as people eagerly connect, completely unaware that they're walking into your digital web. Once connected, you can see what websites they're visiting, what information they're sending, and maybe even redirect them to a hilarious web page of your choice. Just picture their faces when they try to check their favorite social media and end up on a page filled with rubber chickens. But beyond the pranks, the Wi-Fi Pineapple highlights a crucial cybersecurity lesson. Be cautious about public Wi-Fi. You never know who might be lurking on the other side, trying to steal your precious data. So next time you're about to connect to a public network, think twice and maybe even use a VPN for an extra layer of security. Next up, we have Wireshark, the Sherlock Holmes of the digital world. This powerful tool lets you peek under the hood of your network traffic, revealing the secret conversations happening between your devices and the internet. It's like having a superpower to listen in on the whispers of ones and zeros flowing through the digital airwaves. With Wireshark, you can see what websites your friends are visiting, what games they're playing, and even what files they're downloading. You can analyze packets, identify security vulnerabilities, and impress your friends with your newfound network knowledge. Just imagine their amazement when you casually mention, "Hey, I noticed you were browsing for a new pair of sneakers online." It's like magic, but it's actually just the power of Wireshark. Don't let its name fool you. The rubber ducky is a force to be reckoned with in the world of cybersecurity. This unassuming little device looks just like a regular USB drive, but it's actually a master of disguise, harboring the power to inject keystrokes and commands into a computer without anyone suspecting a thing. Imagine plugging it into a friend's computer and watching as it types out a message on its own, opens applications, or even plays a funny sound, all while your friend wonders who's messing with their keyboard. The possibilities for harmless pranks are endless. However, the rubber ducky's true potential lies in its ability to teach us about the importance of physical security. It's a stark reminder that sometimes the weakest link in cybersecurity isn't a complex code, but rather the ease with which a physical device can compromise our systems. Get ready to unearth hidden treasures with Network Miner, the Indiana Jones of the digital realm. This tool is like having X-ray vision for your network, allowing you to sift through massive amounts of data and uncover valuable insights about the devices connected to it. It's like panning for gold, but instead of nuggets, you're finding usernames, passwords, and other juicy information. Network Miner passively captures data flowing through your network, reconstructing files, images, and even credentials that devices might be transmitting. You can use it to identify potential security risks, track down suspicious activity, or just satisfy your inner detective by piecing together the digital breadcrumbs left behind by devices on your network. It's like having a private investigator on your side, except this one speaks fluent binary. Ready to put your cybersecurity skills to the test in a fun and engaging way? Then buckle up for Hack the Box, the ultimate cybersecurity training ground. This online platform is like a digital escape room on steroids, packed with challenging puzzles and scenarios designed to sharpen your hacking skills. Think of it as a virtual playground where you can experiment with different hacking techniques, test your knowledge, and learn from both your successes and failures. With Hack the Box, you'll be able to safely practice your skills in a controlled environment so you can hack like a pro without, actually breaking the law. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cybersecurity enthusiast, Hack the Box offers a wealth of opportunities to level up your game. It's time to embrace your inner hacker and dive into the exciting world of ethical hacking. And there you have it, folks. 5 awesome cybersecurity tools that are not only fun to use, but can also teach you a thing or two about staying safe in our increasingly digital world. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So, use these tools wisely, ethically, and always with respect for others' privacy. Now that you've got a taste of the exciting world of cybersecurity, it's time to explore further. There are tons of other amazing tools and resources out there waiting to be discovered. So, keep learning, keep experimenting, and never stop exploring the ever-evolving landscape of technology. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tech-related content, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one.